Hey there, DIYers and treasure hunters out there. Today we're going to do a calibration and then testing of some various stones with the Presidium Gem Tester II. It's the PGT2. So it came in this box, and inside the box there's this nice container here. Container. Here you go, this pouch. So inside was this pouch, and so it has the tester, power adapter, and the pin, and then it's also got the European converter if you need that. And there's also inside here is a little reset pin, and of course it's got the quick guide startup. So what we'll do is, on the back here, it's got where you can put in 2 AA batteries. I've already got those in there, so we're good to go there. And then here on the back is where you'll plug in your pen, and it's the flat goes down just like it shows there. And then if you were going to be using the power adapter, you could just plug the power in right here. But I'm too far away from a power source to do that, so I'm going to just use the batteries. So over here is the on-off switch, and then here are 2 little reset pins. So what you do is you first turn the device on, let it warm up. It'll blink red. Okay, now that it's solid red, what you do is you'll take the pin and you'll push in on the front pin until it beeps and let go. So now it's flashing blue. So then what you do is you take your pin tester and you push in, and it's spring loaded, and you push down until it's compressed, and you hold it there until it beeps. So it beeped twice, so now we let go. Now we wait for it to turn flashing green, and then we will do the same thing on the glass. Now that it's green, push down on the green. We're testing it. It beeped twice. We'll let go. And now that that's done, it'll flash blue again. Now that it's blue, we're going to do the calibration one more time with CAL. And then we let go. We wait till it goes blue again, and we'll do the CAL one more time. Okay, it's flashing, so we'll do the CAL again. And the pin is in the CAL area, and we'll let go. So now it just should be solid red, so now we are actually ready for testing. So I've got some different rings and things here to test, so we'll just go through and try a few of these different things. One thing you want to do is you don't want the needle to touch any of the metal part. You always want it on the stone. So I'm pushing here on the stone, and that one is basically just reading glass. So I'd say that's more of a costume jewelry. Here's a blue stone. Not sure what that is. Pushing it, and it's reading like it's a topaz. So that one's topaz. Here's one with several different, they look like diamonds, but we'll see. That's kind of big to be a diamond. And yeah, that one's showing that it's just, well, it's going up just all past the glass, so it's more of, I can't read that, but it's up in a higher setting. Show one of these smaller stones. And yeah, that one's showing more of glass, so it's definitely, the center stone is of something a little higher quality. Let's see what this thing is. This is going up. Yep, this is higher too, so this is tanzanite maybe? Okay, this one. Ooh yeah, this one, look at that. That is a ruby. Oh, nice. Let the wife know she got a ruby. Yep. This one is showing as a ruby. And this one about the little diamonds around it. Oh, see, I hit metal. It's hard to. Ooh, and the little diamonds around there are either rubies or sapphires themselves too. Wow, this one's probably got some value to it. Nice. Try these. And that just showing like it's a glass. And the middle one, that's a ruby. That was a ruby. Yeah. Check out this funky looking type of ring. Yeah, that's just glass. So it's just costume jewelry there. Let's see about these. Yep, that's just costume. And that one's going up. Ooh, look at that one. That one's quartz or amethyst, maybe? Yeah. Let's see about this. It's just glass. Yep. And then here we'll put this diamond necklace. Boom. Kicks all the way over into diamond, so that one's definitely a diamond. So anyway, you can see it measures the various stones and different lets you know what it is, and because this has the batteries, you can take this with you on the go. So when you're looking at different jewelry, say at an antique store or wherever, you'll be able to test it and know for sure what you're paying for. Anyway, if you like this video, please like and subscribe below. Hit the notification for upcoming videos, and actually I'll put a link in where you can get this to pick it up, and then you'll be good to go. Thanks for watching.